All right, guys, hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving. We did. We went trail riding in this and the four-seater mule, which is back at my in-laws' house. This little thing, I was remarkably surprised at how capable it was. But anyways, today's video, we are treating the plastic, trying to get it from this to this. So this is more of an intro to what I've already done on this morning. I need to hit that with a Scotch-Brite, see how it just flakes off. But I can't believe I did this on the door panels in my square body, and it made a pretty big difference, really. Now, it will, people are going to say, well, will it warp the plastic? Yes, it will, but as it cools, it shrinks back to where it was. Now, if you just held it in one spot for a long time, it would probably ruin the plastic. It would eventually just melt a hole in it. So you got to be kind of careful and just kind of watch what you're doing. Just keep moving. But anyways, enjoy the video, guys, and hope you'll have, if I don't see you before then or make a video before then, and I'm sure I will, hopefully I will, hopefully you will have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks, guys, for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanksgiving holiday edition. We're going to try a little heat gun trick on this faded out plastic, but I'm going to get this decal off. It went out just a little bit ago, 2019, and we're going to see what the original color was. Let me go get a razor blade. Okay.
What's this for?
This is Mops and Pops' Mule, baby. We're going to see if we can fix all this plastic. Make it look better.
But what are you doing?
Well, we got to scrape this old decal off first. that's it. We're gonna go in for a little while. All right, guys, that's about it. You can see what difference it made in that old chalky looking dash, and then this is all shadow. This is all back smooth and somewhat new-ish looking. This green really come out a lot better. Even the gray hood, which I don't know why it's got a gray hood on it. Maybe they're supposed to be that way. But you can see that's the original green. That's the faded. And we're pretty much back to the original green again. So hopefully, once we get this thing all washed up, it'll look like a fairly new machine. I do want to try something though on the headlights. I don't know if this will make them shine again. We're gonna see. Make it again. I'll get my plastic laser. Come on. You never know. No, it don't seem to be helping any. Even that's a different kind of plastic. Lacey, it's time to go in. We're gonna go in for a little while. It's time to eat lunch. All right, guys, with that being said, that's how you renovate the plastic on a side-by-side. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see the little wavy lines. Need a bigger heat, something that'll heat this whole thing at once, and that'll solve a lot of that. That's just from where it's heating and cooling around it. But it's still 100% better than it was. So